back to my channel. I've missed you guys all so much. I've missed filming. I've been seriously waiting to film and it just hasn't been the right time. I've had a lot of stuff going on, and then when I would try to film, the people that I live with were here and I just couldn't do it. But I'm finally back and I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 5 online shopping hacks that every girl needs to know. So we're just going to jump right into it. I am an avid online shopper. I would way rather prefer shopping online than shopping in the store. I just get way too overwhelmed. In the store, I feel like I can't find as many things and I don't know where certain things are, and there's store people bugging me, and I don't know. I'd just rather shop out of my own home. But I know a lot of people are the complete opposite and they would rather shop in the store because they feel like me in the store. You guys get overwhelmed online because either you don't know good clothing stores online or you don't know how to find your sizes, things like that. Well, I am here to help you guys with all of your online shopping questions. So number 1, my favorite online shopping hack that I tell everyone who asks me where I shop online and how I shop online and stuff like that is to shop on Australian websites. Now, the reason that I say this is because if you are here from the States, or for my European watchers or whatever, this might not pertain to you, but I know from here in the States or us Westerners, in Australia, the seasons are complete opposite. And I don't know if you guys know that, but I'm here to tell you that. So when it is winter here, it is usually summer there and vice versa. So by that being said, when it's summer here, their summer clothes on those Australian websites are usually always on sale. So that means that you are getting a discounted price on all the clothes that you need for that time of year where you live. Now, it's also that way for the winter time. So if you're looking for a pair of boots and it's winter time here in the States, or if you live in Mexico, it doesn't really get cold there, but if you're looking for like some fall clothes or anything like that, if you go to these Australian websites, 98% of the time these items are going to be on sale. So some of my favorite online websites that are Australian are White Fox Boutique, Pepper Mayo. Those are just to name a few, and I will link a lot of my favorite ones down below, but those are my 2 favorite ones, and I have mentioned both of these before in my videos, especially Pepper Mayo. Even though they come all the way from Australia, they ship very fast. So if you're going on a trip and you need something quickly, or you just, don't want to wait for your package, because who does? I mean, I know I'm really impatient when it comes to waiting for my packages. They will ship very fast. Here's White Fox Boutique, all of the bathing suit cover-ups. Cute summery dresses and bathing suits are on sale right now. And it's March. These are on sale also throughout the winter, I believe. So super good technique when you want to get summer clothes in the winter for a good price. So number 2 is discount codes. Now, if you are like me and you're always on YouTube and you're always talking, and you're always looking at your favorite YouTubers and different videos and stuff like that, always check down below in the description box for different coupon codes. So if you type in like spring clothing haul or fashion lookbook or whatever, stuff like that online, you're most likely going to find videos that have several YouTubers posting about different fashion trends or different clothing shops that they shop from, and they will always pretty much have discount codes down below in the description box for you to use on those online websites. Especially little stores like White Fox Boutique and stuff like that, and all those little Instagram shops, you can pretty much always find a discount code. So I like to try not to buy anything until I find a discount code, because you probably can. Or if you even Google it, sometimes if you type in like discount codes for so-and-so's website, you can probably find it on Google. So my 3rd shopping hack for online shopping is to check Amazon. So this is a huge thing that not a lot of people know about, but a lot of those Instagram sites and different clothing shops and boutiques that you see on Instagram, a lot of those places and most of those places all get their clothing and their items from the same wholesalers. So that means usually if you take that exact name description that's on that Instagram post, or kind of like see what it looks like, say it's like a red bandage dress with a black stripe, type that in on Amazon and I bet you any money you will find that exact same clothing piece for a fraction of the price cheaper. So if it's $80 on these hyped up Instagram sites, it's probably only gonna be like $20 to $30 on Amazon, because we all know Amazon is super cheap. So that is a great shopping hack, because I promise you, you will save a ton of money if you just take time out of your day to type in that exact same clothing item and put it on Amazon. I've done that multiple times with bikinis. I'll find like these bikini shops on Instagram, these certain boutiques, and I will type in the exact name that they've posted, and I'll type it on Amazon. I've gotten multiple bikinis on Amazon. I've seen swimsuits like these all over Instagram, these bandage bikinis, $15.99 on Amazon. And they have pages and pages of cute trendy bikinis, all for like $12.99, $16.99. Number 4 is to wait for emails or check your email daily and see when different discount codes or sales are coming up. So every time that you go onto a clothing store's website or a certain boutique's website, it will most likely pop up like save 10% if you subscribe to our newsletter now. Do it. I mean, even if you have multiple email addresses and you've already done that before and you're shopping again online, type in a different email address. You're gonna save 10% or 15% or whatever it is. So always, always do that. Don't just click out because you're annoyed and you don't want to take the time. It's gonna save you money and it does work. I think all you have to do is just go quickly to your email address and then just like confirm, and then it will allow you to receive that discount. So last but not least, number 5 is to wait for holiday sales. Now what I mean by this is, I'm sure you guys have all, like I keep mentioning, Instagram. Instagram is a huge place for boutiques and online stores. That's pretty much the biggest marketing technique that most stores or littler boutiques and stores are using is Instagram. So if you go on like Hot Miami Styles or Lola's Boutique or White Fox Boutique again, I'm trying to think of some other ones like Showpo, different stuff like that, those stores will always, always, always have holiday sales or Boohoo or anything like that. And I'm talking not just like Christmas or Cyber Monday sales or Black Friday sales. I'm talking like President's Day sale, Halloween weekend sale, 4th of July weekend sale, St. Patrick's Day weekend sale, first day of spring sale. Like, you name the freaking holiday, those clothing stores are gonna have a discount. They will find any way to do like 15% off, 20% off, or buy one, get one free, or pick out a free necklace if you purchase something from new arrivals or anything like that. Honestly, those holidays are your best friend. So what I recommend is do not buy from those certain Instagram sites if it's not like a discounted price. I promise you, if you wait a couple more days, they will find a way to do 15 or 20% off. Don't be like me and make the same mistake I have when you just purchase something, just like you get a wild hair and you want a new clothing item and you go on that website and you purchase something, and then I promise you within like the next 2 days, there'll be a discount and you're gonna be pissed because you just spent money that you didn't need to spend. So seriously, you guys, wait for those holidays and I promise you, you will thank me. But yeah, guys, I really hope that you guys found these shopping hacks really helpful. And I know I find them really helpful, so I just wanted to come on here and share them, share the wealth with you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Happy online shopping. Leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this and you found this helpful. Please do not leave without subscribing to my channel, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.